Hey guys. So yesterday in the mail I received this Habor grill thermometer. So this was sent to me for a review. If you've seen some of my other videos, you've seen how how much I dislike my current one. Sometimes it gets stuck on Celsius, sometimes it won't turn on. Anyway, so these guys emailed me if I wanted to review one. It's not very expensive, maybe I think it's $17 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below in the description, but you can see a little bit better. In order to turn it on, you simply just open it. This is my one complaint. This is a little rough. Not rough, it's a little tight. As soon as you turn it on though, there it is. You hold this button to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Oop. So once it's on, you can also do this, flip it over, so you can read it either direction, which is pretty cool. So let's try it out. I have a small, like a 2-pound pork roast right now. Let's see what it's at. About 109.6 here. 105 here, 104. And it's quick. It's about 3 seconds to get the temp. 108.5. I can use this hold button. Say if you're doing it at night and you wanted to bring it over to the light, you can see it's 108 right now. The other good thing about this, a couple good things. On the back here, we have some quick meat temps you can look at. So right now we're doing pork. 145 is the safe, although we're doing this one to 200. It's also waterproof, so once you're done, you could run it under the sink. Overall, from what I've used it so far, just now, it seems like it's pretty good. We'll see how long it lasts. It says 58 degrees to 572 degrees you can use it for. So, but my favorite thing is flipping it over, and you get your temp either way. But again, this didn't cost me anything. It was sent to me. But I mean, it's way worth the $17 or whatever it is on Amazon. So check out the link below, and if you get one, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Oh, you know one other thing? It's magnetic, so it can sit here if it wants. I'm gonna leave it here for now. So let me get back to cooking this guy. I gotta spin him a little bit since the fire's on the other side here. But yeah, if you get one, let me know. If you already have one, let me know in the comments how you like it. We'll see you next time.